What, my baby father?
If anybody who knows this lady, could you just link me up, please? Just give me a link for her, where she's at. Send her information, have her link me up wherever she is. What she need is a new bamboo. We don't cry over bamboo. We use one bamboo and we replace another bamboo. And that has been my tagline for as many years. Everybody who work with a police station can tell you. Yeah, man. Many fish out in the sea. You have sprat, you have snapper, you have slice, you have a whole lot of fish. So if you're allergic to this one, you go back again. I was a fisherwoman, you go and fish again. So she need a new bamboo. And sometimes you get involved in this relationship and you become dependent. Like Chris always cooks. So if Chris is not there, it's like me can't find the energy to cook. So we use one bamboo, replace another one. That's how it is, man. The thing is who to get back under. And for those of you who are saying that I am using my page to tell persons not to accomplish their dreams and not to get education, I put out 10 to 15 blogs every day. One for every day. Come like the Bible, which me not compare myself to that, but it come like the Bible. It have different things. So everything is not for you. Education is what take me out of poverty from a very abusive husband. I started out as a hairdresser. I was the hairdresser in Roses Valley community. When everybody come from foreign, I used to do them here. Me moved from hairdressing to dressmaker, then to tailoring, then to practical nursing, then to police, then to probation officer, then to support worker, then to social worker. Yeah. Education is changing behavior. So you can't say you have a degree and you're educated. If you can move from one career to the next, in my opinion, you're not educated. So yes, the key to success might have changed, but you must go with the change. So education is still the key to success. It is still the key to success. Is what door you are going to open with it. So stop saying that I am saying that education is not important. No. Even if you're a shoemaker, you need education. Even if you sweep the street, you need education. You need to know which broom to handle. If you're a chef, you need to know which spoon to use to do what. A lot of you are just writing to me, writing on my page because you know that I am 40 days and 40 nights and I'm going to create content. And you want me to create content on your thing for you to use it. So a lot of you do all kind of things because you want to get my attention. Is it that you are not a Happy Wife fan? So you don't know what the Happy Wife Club is all about? We empower people over here, man.